So I've made a couple more batches since the last video, and the one that I made yesterday actually was done in about 4.5 hours. Or maybe closer to 4 hours, but it definitely didn't take 5 hours or longer to do it. But it was also warmer yesterday. And this one I just finished, and I was like amazed, but this one actually took over 7 hours. So I'm getting ready. I'm going to add 1 ounce of essential oil here. I'll put this in here. I didn't do that in that last batch that I videotaped. I just did a plain batch, and it was great, just unscented. So anywho, I just wanted to give viewers a heads up, and new soap makers, that it could take 4 hours, it could take 7, but just keep an eye on your soap, and definitely after a few hours, of stirring on and off, and just keep an eye on it and see as it begins to thicken. And it'll rise up in the pan, and then it'll shrink back down again. Then you'll cook it a little longer, and pretty quickly it'll start to turn into rice pudding consistency.